everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious and nutritious and very healthy almond shake, or we call it Badam shake. 1 cup Badam. We're going to take the skin off. You can keep the skin on, that is fine, and I'll share with you how it's easy to remove it. Enough water, almonds soak inside the water. And now we'll put this one in microwave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, they will be very easy and simple to remove it. Main ingredient will be the milk. I'll be using vitamin D milk. It's a 4 cup, and then we're going to use the sugar, and sugar is always to taste. If you don't prefer sugar, then you always can substitute with honey. First step will be putting the milk into the pot. And now we're going to put this one on gas burner. The volume of milk reduced to 2 cups. That's the time we're going to stop. Milk will get thickened. Then we're going to make almond shake. And to bring a twist into almond shake, I'm going to use roux afza just for the flavoring purpose. So let's get started. First we're going to put milk on a burner. Then we're going to put the almonds in microwave. So we'll start the gas. Keep stirring so it won't get boiled out. As soon as the volume reduces, milk get thickened, that's all we need. Keep it for 5 minutes. I'm going to start it. We are almost done. We have the final beat. Be careful when you're taking this one out. This is really hot. So don't burn yourself. As you see, it's a smoking. This is how the almond looks. Let it sit on the countertop. Once it's cooled down, then it will be easy to handle it. What you need to do, you just grab it and just press it. And look at this, how the skin peels off. Real easy. I have another pot, which is with the cold water. So I'll finish up all these same way. I'm almost done. It's only 3 more to go. So this is all the peel, and now we have the almond. In the cold water, I put it in, so they are washed as well. So now it's easy to drain the water. The milk has been thickened. This is where we started, and the volume reduced to half. This is all we need. Now I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to let it sit until it cools down. Once it cools down, then we'll prepare our almond shake, Badam shake. It's a really good idea when you serve the almond shake. It's very refreshing when it's cold. I put the ice and I let it sit inside, and it's nice and cold. And if we look at it, it's about 2 1/4 cup. Initially we added 4 cup. First step will be all the almonds. We'll place it inside. As for sugar is always to taste, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. And this is the roux afza. 2 teaspoons roux afza. Roux afza are going to give us a nice color, and also it's a sweet. Now we're going to pour the milk. Nicely tighten. I'm going to start it. We're going to press smoothly. We're all done. It does not take that long. It takes only 50 seconds. And our almond shake is all ready. Glasses are ready, and we're going to pour it in. It's always a good idea prior to serving, put it inside the fridge, and once it's chilled, then you're going to enjoy the almond shake. Let me share with you. This is so easy and simple to make almond shake or badam shake, and prior to serving, add some almonds. This is super nutritious and very healthy. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this almond shake or badam shake, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.